A manufacturing facility for C-295 transport aircraft will be set up at Vadodara in Gujarat by Tata Advanced Systems Ltd. TASL, in partnership with European aviation major Airbus. This is the start of an entire ecosystem for the aviation sector. This facility will act as the regional maintenance, repair and overhaul hub for all C-295, of the 56 C-295 aircraft to be procured by India as per a 21,935 rupees crore deal. 40 will be built at this facility. These will replace the legacy Avro aircraft in service with the Indian Air Force, IAF. The C-295 is an aircraft of 5 to 10 ton capacity used for tactical transport of up to 71 passengers or 50 paratroopers, and for logistic operations to locations that are not accessible by current heavier aircraft. It can operate from short or unprepared airstrips.